big dot this week. 49 weeks since I've turned 48, and I've put lots in this week's dot. Big week. So have a lot of other people. Brisbane events, stayed at the Hilton a couple of nights, river runs, long runs, it's body part replacement. It's been a big week, and it starts with last Wednesday, Ron had his hip replaced, and the hip that I think it must be 20 years since he had his plane crash, and he had a hip full of metal, and it was time to, that one's now giving out on him, so he's got a new hip. And of course Thursday he was walking around the hospital. It's amazing what they're doing these days. Very impressed. Went for a run locally on Thursday, and you know the old joke, how many men does it take to change a light bulb? Well, if it's a street light, two trucks full. And then Thursday, I was off to the Hilton for a couple of nights because a lot of functions on Friday. So Friday started with a river run, which I love. And then I ran into Ray Criley as I was running along the river, and I sped up to meet his pace for a little bit because he's a phenomenal runner. Off to the REIQ conference, Property Managers Conference, where I knew the guest speaker. So Michelle was the hit, the star of the conference for everyone in the room in residential land listening to how QCAT does their thing. And then we off to the Brisbane Club, met a few people there, printed dinner, drinks, because the day ended with the night legal professionals dinner. I think I said that right. So that was a great way to sort of end the week, start the weekend, which meant I got to get up again on Saturday, another river run. That was great. On Sunday, Beth, who I do a bit of running with, is raising money for Beyond Blue. So part of that was a charity run, 25 kilometres. So it was nice to knock out, I think, my longest run for the year. So that was good. Bunch of great people to run with. On Tuesday, I turned up to Moreton Bay Road Runners, which was a great day to catch up with some people. And it was one of those days I hit another 00 day. It was 3,600 days in a row. Nice and neat. And that's my week. Lots of stuff. Lots of great running, lots of great events, lots of good stuff. Good stuff. See you next week.